Most roofing businesses don't fail because they lack skill or effort. They fail because they can't crack the code to consistent leads and predictable revenue. If you're tired of unpredictable months and high customer acquisition costs, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly why many roofing businesses fail and how you can actually avoid these traps using AI and automations. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to scaling your roofing business without needing a massive sales team. Stick around, and if this resonates with you, I'll show you how you can implement this for your business together. Now, why do most roofing businesses actually fail? Well, according to industry data, nearly 50% of small roofing companies shut down within the first 5 years. Now, why is that? It's not because they're bad at roofing, it's because they struggle with consistent client acquisition. 80% of roofing business owners say lead generation is their biggest challenge, followed by actually converting those leads into actual paying clients. Now, we know why they actually fail, but let's see the problem in depth. These are the three main problems. Lead unpredictability, reliance on word of mouth and seasonal fluctuations. This is not good because you have to ask your clients consistently to refer them to their friends, and this is also not predictable, so you don't have a steady stream of leads. High marketing costs. Google ads for roofers average around $20 to $30 per click, but conversion rates are only around 2 to 3%. And missed opportunities. Lack of follow-up systems results in 70% of leads slipping through the cracks. This is pretty much due to late contacting of the leads or a few to no follow-ups. Now, if you think your skill alone will bring you clients, it won't. Roofing is as much about sales and systems as it is about craftsmanship. This is where most business owners fall short. Now, we saw the flaws of old ways of getting clients and the usual problems roofing companies had. Now, let's focus on the newest ways to get clients. Now, let's dive into some traditional techniques of getting clients and growing your roofing company. Door-to-door sales. This is costly in terms of time and personnel. Conversion rates are also unpredictable and require constant effort. Hiring a sales team. The average roofing sales rep earns around $60K annually. Now, when you multiply that by a team of 3 to 5 people, plus management costs, that all adds up to a very costly team. And generic lead generation services. Many lead generation companies sell the same leads to multiple roofers, leading to bidding wars and low ROI. Now, for example, I had a friend whose dad used to have a roofing company. He wanted to advertise on social media platforms and actually started investing $5,000 into ads. Since he didn't have the appropriate systems and follow-ups, that money resulted in bad leads and a negative ROI. If you think throwing money at ads or hiring more salespeople will solve your problem, it won't. What you need is a system that works for you even while you sleep. We saw the flaws of old ways of getting clients and the usual problems roofing companies had. Now, let's focus on the newest ways to get clients and the winning strategy. This is split into four parts, which are quite simple. AI-powered lead qualification. Using AI agents, you can qualify leads instantly, ensuring you only spend time on those who are serious about roofing services. Imagine an AI caller that reaches out to leads within 5 minutes of them actually filling out a form. Studies show that contacting leads within this window increases your chances of conversion by 400%. Ad targeting that actually works. Facebook and Instagram ads have an average cost per lead of $5 to $10 for local businesses, when actually run properly. Compare that to around $30 for Google ads. We design ads that don't just bring in clicks, but actually qualify leads who are ready to book an appointment. And content as a trust builder. Educating your prospects through content such as before and after pictures, customer testimonials, and how we work videos can increase your lead to client conversion rate by up to 50%. And system integration. All of this ads, AI, and content is integrated into one seamless system so you can focus on what you do best: roofing. Now, this all sounds great, of course, but what does it actually lead to? Here are some results you can expect. Let's take other industries as an example. HVAC companies using a similar system saw a 30% increase in bookings within the first 3 months. And also remodeling businesses reported a 25% reduction in their cost per client using AI-powered follow-ups. These are all crazy results, which are all done because of the fast responses. What this actually means for a roofing company is that based on industry averages, a system like this can generate around 30 to 50 qualified leads per month. Even if you close 20% of them, that's 6 to 10 new clients monthly. With an average roofing job being 10K, the math speaks for itself. Now, this all sounded great, but here's how you can actually take what I showed you and implement it into your business to start getting results. The system is split into three parts. Targeted ads. This pretty much means launching your ad campaign in order to generate leads. You should create Facebook and Instagram ads that speak directly to homeowners looking for smart home upgrades, for example, or people looking for roofing jobs. As an example, a homeowner interested in home theater systems might see an ad like "Turn your living room into a cinematic experience." You should also run content. This is meant to showcase your business to people, and it's a way to create authority and generate organic leads. 72% of customers say they're more likely to buy from a business that provides educational content. The content that should be posted is educational, meaning that it has to educate your viewers into why your solution is the best among the other similar companies. And the last part, AI-powered follow-ups and bookings. Build an AI agent, and that AI agent takes over once the lead clicks on the ad and fills out their information. It'll greet the lead by their name, qualify their interest, and book an appointment for you. What this will lead to is a system where every lead is contacted instantly, qualified, and booked without you lifting a finger. Imagine spending zero time chasing leads and focusing entirely on installations instead. Now, if you think this sounds great, but I don't want to build this whole thing out and I just want to get clients on autopilot and just worry about delivering a good service to my customers, this is where we actually come in. My team specializes in building these systems for roofing companies. We handle everything from creating and running the ads to setting up and optimizing your AI agent and ensuring every lead is contacted and booked. If you're ready to fill your schedule without hiring a sales team, click the link below to book a free implementation call with me. Let's see how the system can actually change your business.